Hey, thank you for stopping back by. This is my recipe for a garlic butter Parmesan spread that you can put on top of the pizza crust to make it more flavorful. So in this cup, I have put 3 tablespoons of butter. You want to get a really good tasting butter. The quality of butter that you use is going to be the quality of your pizza. So you might want to avoid using margarine for this recipe. To that, I added 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and to this, I added a half of teaspoon of salt because you don't want it to be too salty, especially if you're using butter that has salt in it already. Then I used a pinch of pepper and a teaspoon of garlic, fresh cut up or diced or minced, whatever you want to call it, garlic. And you mix that together, and then I am going to put this on the raw pizza dough, and then I will cook that in a oven at 450 degrees for about 10 minutes. So let's just get this out of here. And I'm just using one of these, I don't know what you call this. It's a brush. And just kind of spread it all out. It doesn't look very professional. I think in the end it's gonna taste great. But if you check out my other video, I have a video on how to make the pizza crust more flavorful. And then also there's a third video on the toppings. And if you didn't know this about me, I worked for a pizza company for a couple of years. So I picked a couple of things up. And yeah, you can get really creative with pizza and pizza toppings. And this step, I just don't skip it, because if you just use regular flour, salt, yeast, and the regular normal ingredients, your pizza dough will actually not have very much flavor. So I do a couple of things, and my family seems to appreciate it, and it tastes great. So see you on the other video, and thank you for stopping by.